Hey there, and welcome to Money Nuggets. I'm Christian, and I'm here to help you make better financial decisions through lessons from the best books on how to build long-term wealth. Today I'm reviewing the book Set for Life by Scott Trench. Keep watching to learn what you need to know about the key lessons from the book and why it is worth it. In Set for Life, Scott Trench, a successful entrepreneur and real estate investor, takes you through his personal story. He also shares the strategies that help him achieve financial freedom in just 3 years after graduating from college. The book is divided into 3 parts, with the first part focusing on the mindset of financial freedom. Trench emphasizes the importance of having a positive mindset and a clear vision for your financial future. He also challenges conventional beliefs about money and success. The second part, which is the mechanics of financial freedom, provides practical advice on how to increase your income, reduce your expenses, and invest your money wisely. Trench covers a range of topics, including budgeting, debt management, and asset allocation. While it's a minor flaw, it's a risk you should be aware of on your financial journey. He also shares inspiring stories from others who've achieved financial freedom. Trench's writing is engaging and easy to read. He uses humor and personal stories to illustrate his points. You'll find his advice clear and actionable. One of the things I appreciate most about Set for Life is Trench's realism. He doesn't promise overnight riches, but instead focuses on the importance of developing good financial habits and working hard over time. He also emphasizes the value of calculated risk-taking. Before I share my final thoughts, I want to remind you that you can find a link to the book I reviewed in the description below. There's also a 30-day free trial on Amazon Audible that lets you get Set for Life for free. That's a great way to start learning valuable financial education as soon as today. So, what are the key takeaways from this book? Financial freedom isn't about having a lot of money. It's about having enough to live the life you want without financial worries. To achieve it, you need a clear vision, financial goals, a budget, and wise investments. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, but principles like increasing income, reducing expenses, and wise investing apply to everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe now and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest personal finance book reviews. I'm always adding new content to help you learn about the best guides on wealth building, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Have a great day.